What's up, neighbors? It's your guy Darius with SOG Roadside, and this is gonna be my first official YouTube video. We kicking this thing off with something that means a lot to me, right? Look, bow! Unboxing my first branded gear drop, and we're knocking out a rear repair on a 2003 Dodge Ram with spongy brakes, right? At SOG Roadside, we get you back rolling again, right? And I've been putting in work as a mobile mechanic for years now, and it's time to start showing the world how we really do it. So let's get to it. Open this box up, see what's in it. Okay, Mr. Fix-It, SOG Roadside, baby. That's the number you're gonna need to call. Mr. Fix-It. Oh, I like that. Wow. From here on out, you'll see this logo, you'll see this on every job. Y'all like that? Now let's get into this job. This truck's from a waste service company that I've been partnering with for over 20 years, and I've had my hands on these trucks for the last 7. Now, this 2500's got a spongy pedal, even after replacing the pads and the rotors. So I already know we diving into the master cylinder. When the brakes still feel soft after replacing the new pads and rotors, chances are it's a master cylinder, which is this guy right here. Now, we're gonna keep the old reservoir because they didn't order a new one, they only ordered the master cylinder itself, right? We got the part from AutoZone, time to get this beast safe again. I wanna walk through this clearly. What we're gonna do is, we're gonna get this nut right here, we're gonna take it off. Same thing on the other side, get this nut right here, take it off. This is so simple, guys. We're also gonna, boom, take these, boom, pull those out, pull the master cylinder off. We're gonna have to bench bleed the master cylinder for sure. Bench bleed the master cylinder before you start. If you don't, you're chasing them forever. Now those 2 nuts at the booster, 2 brake lines, but be gentle. These lines love to strip. Watch this. Master cylinder. So now we're gonna pour some fresh brake fluid in here. Stick it in here and press against that like that. Push it all the way in. That's how we're gonna bleed it. Oh yeah, you're gonna get that master cylinder in there. Screw it down. Remember, these things love to strip. We're gonna get the screws started. Break it on there. Put these bolts on there. Another Ram 2500. These all it is to it. I'm gonna tighten it down. I'm gonna get those nuts tightened down as well. That's the process. We bled all 4 corners, especially with these long brake lines. We got a thing pumping right. Look at that. Yo, we stop on a dime. Woo! That's how you stop 8,000 plus pounds. You understand me? SOG Roadside. Look at this. Oh man, this is why I do what I do. We trusted by commercial fleets, regular drivers, and now we're putting that pride into something bigger with SOG Roadside. So subscribe for real mobile repairs, no gimmicks. If you're local or if you're rolling heavy, you know who to call. Another satisfied neighbor just got created here today, okay guys? SOG Roadside, get you back rolling again. See y'all next week.